This is a new designed universal adapter for Dell laptops. So the idea is rather than having different connectors for different laptops, we have only one universal connector. So the way it works is you have either 240 watts or 340 watts or 150 watts SlimQ charger, and then connect to the connector. You can see there's light. You can use a pin to adjust the light. So for different laptop, I'm gonna use in different mode. I believe this is for 330 watts. So once we set it, this is a laptop simulator. So you plug in the laptop, you can see the light turn to white, which means it's working in the specified watts. So that's the idea. So eventually we're gonna only have one universal connector for all Dell laptops.